Hello, this is Nico at Charlie's Foreign Car, and we are doing a routine inspection on this truck today. And one of the things that we caught was a loose wheel bearing. I wanted to show you, if you could come up close to check this out. If we move this wheel like so, see how much that wheel moves back and forth? It's got a good ½ inch of movement. That is the wheel bearing that is very loose on the front of this truck. So here is the corrective measure that we're going to take. I got some new parts down here for it. The wheel bearing on this truck is serviced as an entire hub assembly. So it's a 4x4. So the axle goes through the center right here, and it comes with a new ABS connector and sensor that come with it. Also, one thing that we noticed while we had the brake pads apart, the brake pads are cracked, and they're also pretty low. They've got about 2 millimeters left. But the one thing to notice here, if you look right there, there's a crack right there, pretty good one. And if you look right there, there's a crack right there. That's on both the inner and the outer pad. There's a maybe a little bit longer crack there, and then over here, that crack goes all the way through. So we are going to fix this by putting new pads on it, a new wheel bearing, and all that slop right there that's in that wheel is going to be completely gone. So that's part of the routine inspection service here at Charlie's Foreign Car. Thank you.